Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I have a super exciting video. I have been so excited to film for you guys. I bought one of the SKIMS Shapewear that was designed by Kim Kardashian. I have been wanting to buy one for a while, but every single time I went to their website, they were always sold out. So I signed up for like their email subscription, and they let me know like a week ago that they had enough quantity, and so I bought a pair right before it all sold out. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to share with you guys, and if you're interested in seeing what I got, please keep watching. So I got the Core Control Thong in the color Umber, and I got it in the size extra small to extra small. And I just got that size. Usually I wear between an extra small and a small, but I decided to go with the size extra small to extra small because I kind of wanted to kind of accentuate that smaller waist, and so I just decided to go with the smallest size possible. I will let you know how it fits on me. It did retail for $24 even, and then with shipping, I think you have to buy over $75 to get free shipping. I just bought one pair, and so I did spend $6 on shipping, so in total, I did spend $30. In the end of the video, I will let you guys know if I think it was worth it to spend the money or not, but I am super excited to try them on. But yeah, you guys, I will show you guys in two different dresses of mine. One of the dresses will be black, it's this one that I'm wearing, and the other one will be kind of like this nude color, just so you guys can get a feel of what it really looks like on the body. And yeah, without further ado, let's open this box. So this is what the box looks like. It doesn't say anything that it is SKIMS, a product, except by the little name in the corner of the shipping label. And I'm sure that's just because they don't want people stealing packages off of people's porches, so I'm sure they had to cover it up for that reason. All right, guys, I'll open this on camera for you guys. So it says SKIMS on the top. And then looks like this is it. So it looks like it's come wrapped in just a simple white paper. I'm gonna open it. Pretty. So the packaging, as you can see, is super pretty, super matte. So yeah, again, I bought the Core Control Solution Wear just because I don't really have issues with other parts of my body. I didn't need, you know, shapewear for, you know, my legs or my butt area. So I wear sometimes really slimming and fitted dresses, and I was like, you know what, the only problem I might have is with my stomach area. I decided to get one of the Core Solution Wear products. And I went with the thong instead of the other underwear. There's two other types of underwear that she also does have on her website, but I ultimately went with the thong. One, because it was a little bit cheaper, and the other reason was because I don't like panty lines. All right, you guys, so this is it. You guys, okay, let me be honest. I am small, but I am not this small. Look at this. Okay guys, this is my 11 Pro Max cell phone. Look at this. That is the size of it. I mean, like literally. Oh my God, guys. That is like a size comparison for you guys. I don't know how else to do a size comparison, but this is some thick fabric, you guys. All right, so this is like a child's stuff. I heard people saying like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's so tiny, but like, I really can't believe how tiny it is. But anyway, so this is what they look like. That's what the back looks like. On the inside, you can see there is a silicone, looks like band, I'm sure to keep it in place. And then the printed tag. It's 78% nylon, 22% spandex, machine wash cold, do not bleach, dry, low, made in Turkey. All right guys, and I'm just gonna do a close-up of what the fabric looks like and stuff. I haven't seen many YouTubers actually get like close and personal about what the fabric looks like and is made out of, so. Yeah, but without further ado, you guys, let's try these. So here's me in my black dress. Just a simple black dress. I'll turn to the side for you guys. And this is how I am usually. You know, I can push out my stomach or suck it in, but usually it kind of is this. So let us put these on. I'll try to do it on camera as much as I can with being appropriate. Oh, you guys. They are not joking. These things are tight. Oh man. Okay, hold on, guys. So this is basically what they look like on. Surprisingly, they're not cutting off my circulation, which I'm honestly really surprised about. And I won't turn around in them because, you know, I just won't turn around in them. But man, yeah, these really fit nice. They are very snug. I would say the hardest part was getting over my hips, but after that happened, I think it was honestly okay. And they're actually surprisingly comfortable. Honestly, I thought they were gonna like kind of give me a wedgie right up my butt, but I actually really, this feels really nice though. All right, and guys, this is the first time I've ever tried on any sort of shapewear, so yeah, you guys, okay, so I'll try to do a side-by-side comparison. Holy cow. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, so that's one. Try my second dress. All right, guys, this is my second dress. Again, very, very tight and form-fitting, but this is without the shapewear on. All right, you guys, and this is with the shapewear on. All right, you guys, thank you for sharing that experience with me. It was quite an interesting one. But honestly, overall, I kind of really love them. I think, honestly, for the price, for $24, I swear I have seen shapewear at Macy's for a heck of a lot more expensive. So for me, for $24, I didn't think that was that bad, honestly. I give this actually a thumbs up. And I would say the only thing that kind of has been driving me just a little bit nuts is that in the front I'm kind of getting like a front wedgie because I think it's a thong, and so I'd say that is the only downside to it. But honestly, I think it brings my core a little bit more together when I do wear form-fitting outfits. So for me, again, it is a thumbs up. I think it's worth the money, honestly. But yeah, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and let me know down below, you guys, if you want to see more product reviews from me. And yeah, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button along with the bell button if you want to keep updated on all my future videos that I make. But yeah, you guys, I think that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.